I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly what the Apple logo symptom is: stuck, flashing, or looping, because that guides the fix. First, make sure battery has at least 20% so the device won't die mid-process. Then attempt a force restart, since that resolves transient freezes. Once done, connect to a computer with the proper cable and open Finder or iTunes to view device status. This step narrows whether you need simple restart, recovery mode, or full restore, so you don't jump into unnecessary steps. You now choose recovery mode to let the computer attempt an update without erasing data, because updating repairs corrupted system files often. Follow the exact button sequence for your model. Once you see the recovery screen, select Update and wait. This can take 10–30 minutes depending on connection speed. If the device still shows the Apple logo or gets stuck, switch to DFU mode for a deeper restore. Be prepared that DFU erases data, so use it only after update fails. You finish by letting the restore complete, then follow on-screen prompts to set up the device. This confirms the Apple logo issue is resolved. Make sure to sign into your Apple ID and check core functions, Wi-Fi, apps, camera, so you know everything boots cleanly. If the logo returns, swap cables and try another computer, then repeat DFU one more time. If failure continues, you likely face a hardware problem and should contact Apple support or an authorized repair center for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.